Put the batteries. Good job, buddy. Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Daddy.
Whoa, Zaynn, let's put the cover. Wow, that rotates.
Welcome to Zaynn's Adventure. Today, you know what I bought?
What?
It's a Dyson vacuum cleaner.
It's a Dyson hand-free vacuum cleaner. It has a working suction.
And what's this face?
It's like, hi! Show me a hi to the camera over there.
Can I open it?
Yeah, you can open it.
Oh, excuse me. Sorry, ouch.
Instruction.
No, see, it's like same in the box. Oh, it's same.
It has one part which can work like this. You just,
I wanted a wrinkly one.
yeah, and then you can detach this, see, like that, so easy. Uh-oh, mini. And then you can detach this, attach over here.
But
Whoa.
this is not able to do this.
Yeah,
It's like
and then you can,
it's like Jimo. So
yeah, it's like Gym. Oh wow, it's so easy, Zaynn, see? Attaching, detaching is so easy, see? So,
detaching.
taking it off, see?
Detaching.
You put it one like this,
And put it this one.
so easy. Whoa, look at that. Let's see how it closes. And this is where the dust comes.
How it dries.
Whoa, see? So cool. Let's put battery. Okay?
Battery, where's battery? Hello, where's battery?
Goes over
Hello,
here. Battery
where's
goes.
battery?
Hello, where's battery? Hello, where's battery?
Hello, where's battery?
That's where the battery goes. Okay? And that's where the suction. Yeah. Put the batteries. Good job, buddy. Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Daddy,
Dad.
Daddy, these are new.
Almost new batteries.
Making sure. Whoa, Zaynn, let's put the cover. Wow, that rotates, see? It's a tiny little ball that rotates. Can you feel the suction? Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Okay. So you need, what do you like about it?
I like about this thing. I like the whole thing.
You like the whole thing? You like the design of it basically, I
I like
believe.
the design.
Yeah. This design is cool, Zaynn, right?
Yeah,
This is your favorite vacuum cleaner?
my favorite.
Oh wow, Zaynn, your outfit matches with your this thing. Vacuum. Whoa.
It works like this.
Yep. Let's see how it. Wow, these comes with this. Show me the balls rotating inside of it. Wow. Awesome. And
These are marshmallows.
these are marshmallows, small mini marshmallows. Go cleaning. Let's go
The
cleaning.
purple thing doesn't move.
Awesome. Wow. I like the noise, the sound that it makes, Zaynn. Do you like the sound of this vacuum? You don't like it? Why?
It looks like buzzing.
It feels like buzzing. It feels like it's accelerating, right? We're gonna test the
Paper.
suction. Okay, here you go. See if you can suck it up.
Oh.
which button? Can you show me which button is for? Oh, that button. Okay. So basically this button is for, can you show me one more time? Yeah. Oh, good job. Trash is not
What?
there. We need to.
What?
What happened?
Where is it?
Trash is not there, maybe.
With this.
With that, you're gonna do directly with that. Wow. There it goes. Wow, see? It's picking it up. Yay, see? Keep rolling, keep rolling. You're just gonna pick it up and put it in there? That's funny, Zayn. Let's see what you're trying to do. Oh, you're collecting over here. That's a good idea.
First.
Yep. Oh, Zayn, see? It collected over here, see? Okay, Zayn, can you show me? Wow. Yay! See? We collected it. Wow. That is so cool, Zayn. So it does collect some dust too. Okay,
This
awesome.
is actually more.
It's a what?
There are actually more. There's actually more.
More? That's fine. We can collect that later. Is that fun?
Bye guys, see you next time. Listen to your parents and watch my videos. Bye.
Bye.
If you want to watch more of my video, just search for my name.